In this video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Haloview RD10 wireless backup camera, dash cam, and DVR for your RV. So stay tuned. Hi and welcome back, and thank you so much for watching this video. If this is your first time here, we'd love to have you subscribe and become a member of our growing community. And with that out of the way, let's get on with today's topic. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You can see the upcoming review of this wonderful product. Until then, check out this video right here where we have another RV related topic just for you. And remember, live simple, live free, and enjoy the ride. And we'll see you on our next video.